Essentially, what it means is that connection with something bigger than ourselves, something which actually involves a search for meaningful life, something that really touches you from within, which makes you feel alive, which makes you feel connected. And this is actually essentially, spirituality. So in that way, you can say that everybody is spiritual in a sense. It's just that the expression is different, and it is shaped by our personal, family, and cultural experiences. And also, like our sense of purpose keeps changing in our life as we grow. Our personal definition of spirituality also keeps evolving throughout our life. It adapts to our experiences and it adapts to our relationships. Today, the modern day is filled with so many situations which leads to constantly anxiety and stress. And, as you rightly said, in the pandemic, it has created upheaval on a daily basis in most of the people's lives. And we are always juggling from one extreme to another. So once where the life state is constantly shifting and changing, and we're, constantly thinking about the consequences and our action. So what actually spirituality does is it helps to develop that strong core within us. It helps us, to respond to the situations in a better way. And there are many benefits actually, if you see, some of them are not very conspicuous. They are very, they may be not looking very tangible, but there are very lot of benefits out of that. First of all, as we all know that we are going through a lot of challenging situations, it helps you overcome that. So actually, it gives you the courage, it gives you the strength, and it gives you the hope that how we can, handle those challenges which are happening in our lives, and how to bounce back, more easily. So it actually gives you a very positive outlook, in your day-to-day life. Certain experiences happen and it makes you really question, that why did it happen the way it happened? Because most of us are actually trained in a very modern education system where it is a very logical interpretation of what comes next if you follow certain things. But then there are certain experiences that you go through in your life which actually, kind of disturbs that kind of logical thinking. So there were certain experiences that happened in my life. I was in probably in my mid 30s that led me to these questions, that why did it happen? Why to me? What is the purpose? And it kind of ignited that quest, which was, I think, probably dormant within me. And I started, I connected with Buddhism. It just came to my life. I think as you probably seek certain answers, the universe also responds to that way. So I got into Buddhism. I got into chanting, Buddhist practices. And then I also started, having an inclination for reading more about Bhagavad Gita. And that quest, led me more about this journey. And that's how it is. देखें तो अगर हम डिफरेंस देखें रिलीजन का या धार्मिक का या आध्यात्मिक का, तो बेसिकली जो मेन डिफरेंस है वो ये है कि रिलीजन थोड़ा स्ट्रक्चर्ड है. लाइक अगर आप कोई एक फॉर्मल रिलीजन को फॉलो करते हैं तो एक वहां पे मतलब आप किसी धार्मिक स्थल को मानते हैं, चाहे वो मंदिर हो या मस्जिद हो या चर्च हो. आप किसी पर्टिकुलर स्क्रिप्चर्स को मानते हैं, चाहे वो आपकी जो भी आपकी धार्मिक पुस्तकें हैं या स्क्रिप्चर्स हैं, आप उनको फॉलो करते हैं. या आप उन कुछ रिचुअल्स को, जैसे जैसे हम हिंदुइज्म में मानते हैं कि ये फास्ट हैं, ये प्रैक्टिसेस हैं, उनको फॉलो करते हैं. इसी तरीके से हर रिलीजन के अपने स्क्रिप्चर, अपने अपने रिचुअल्स होते हैं, और या कुछ प्रैक्टिसेस होती हैं जिनको हम ऑब्जर्व करते हैं अगर आप अपने आप को रिलीजियस मानते हैं. Spirituality is more of a little more open ended. It's a very evolving kind of a thing. उसमें कोई बहुत ज्यादा क्लोज्ड फॉर्मेट नहीं है, उसका पैराडाइम बहुत ओपन एंडेड है. तो इसलिए आप अपनी स्पिरिचुअलिटी को अपने रिलीजन के थ्रू भी एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो. पर अगर आप ये मानो कि रिलीजन का मतलब, अगर आप कहो कि पर्टिकुलर रिचुअल्स को फॉलो करना है, लेकिन उनको बहुत सुपरस्टिशन हो जाता है, अगर हम उसके मामले में बहुत ज्यादा फंडामेंटलिस्ट हो जाते हैं, तो देन डेफिनेटली दैट इज नॉट द वे टू बिकम स्पिरिचुअल. सो डेफिनेटली it's not necessary that if you're religious you are spiritual, and it is also not necessary that if you are spiritual then you are religious. but you can find your spirituality through religion.